Cicero de Officiis, episode 28. Atque etiam alia devisio est officii, nam et medium quod dam officium dicitur et perfectum. Cicero takes the discussion here in a slightly different direction, and so the editor has indicated this by introducing a new section. And so also, or but also, atque etiam, there is another division, alia devisio, of duty. For et medium et perfectum, for both a middle duty, officium, a certain middle duty, and a complete duty, or an intermediary and an absolute, is described, dicitur. These two sentences here are quite simple, a nice contrast to the much longer and more complicated sentence, the quorum autem officiorum, of the previous portion. Atque etiam, but also atque etiam, alia devisio. This is feminine, singular, and nominative, and is the subject of est. Devisio is a third declension noun, and alia is the adjective modifying it. But there is also a second, or another, division in the concept of duty, officii, here neuter singular and genitive. The nam, which unlike the synonym enim, is not postpositive, so enim postpositive, but nam can begin its own clause. For there is described nam dicitur, or we might say more idiomatically simply we say, or we describe, we designate, we describe a certain quod dam middle duty, medium officium, as well as an absolute or complete duty. Now because dicitur here is third singular, and it's a present indicative passive from the third conjugation verb dicere, the subject is officium, which is neuter singular and nominative. It's modified by medium and quod dam in the same gender number case. And in the second part of the clause, we have simply perfectum, also neuter singular and nominative, but we don't have to repeat the noun officium. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell. You can also become a patron at patreon.com/LatinPerDiem. And if you really loved it, you can leave a tip right here as a super fan. Thank you so much.